network activities, everything is done. So what is happening now is that today, the 9th of December, we have officially started with receiving of money for both traffic tickets, bail, maintenance, and all other revenue, liquor licenses are included. So as we are busy now in this office, we are processing all the monies that was received one day before the blaze and up to yesterday, and we are issuing receipts, account all these monies, and at the same time also make sure that the rightful beneficiaries are paid through the EFT system that is in place. With regards to my advice to the general public will be, if you are aware that you have received a traffic ticket from the traffics, please make sure that you are coming to this court and sort out the issue. You can still pay the ticket. Failure to do so, that ticket will be converted on the date or 12 o'clock in the night before the court date, and that your absence at the court may result in a warrant of arrest being issued, and it may have other consequences. So the best thing is, we are open, our system is running, although the paperwork, as it's a nature